What are you doing?
See these rub marks in here? I'm trying to figure out why you're rubbing so hard in there. We got a sticking throttle here. There's your problem right there. See how it's tight?
Yeah.
Your dumping starts right here because you shorten them so much.
Yep.
Because this used to be where I was rubbing was right here.
Right.
Now you're with it hook here. But you have throttle. The bar is not round up in here. That's where they dumping the shit out of it. Any really noticeable high spots, but I know they are. So when you start butchering things, you have problems.
They were too wide.
Yeah, well, this stuff should have been dealt with before you put it together, not after.
Fair, fair. It's my first time.
Yeah, well. This is so tight. See, this even has drag right here.
Yeah.
This tube is not very round to begin with. Got issues. I feel anything. Oh, there you feel that.
On the edge?
You feel that lip?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Boy, that's there. That's obviously drag built in.
Yeah. I don't think it's supposed to be there on purpose.
We're gonna need some more stuff here. We need some Allen wrenches. We need a deburring tool. Need some sandpaper. Cardboard. You got any of that stuff?
No. I got Allen wrenches. Allen wrenches on the bike. No sandpaper, no deburring tool.
No deburring tool.
I do have one of those, just not with me.
Well, you should have used it. Needs quick work of the plastic turds anyway. Okay, we got rid of that problem. Next problem is we need some paper. About the right grit too. Might cut. Okay, what are we gonna do for protective for your bike? We got nothing. Oh, we got plastic.
There's some cardboard here.
You mean that white cardboard?
Yeah.
I'm thinking more like some plastic that's just laying around, not being used.
I'm gonna set these ferrules down over here so I don't drop them.
Only just a little wet. Did it rain recently?
A couple days ago.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, this is just laying around here, waiting to be used for something. Yeah, I found the use for it. I took the edge off. Let's see what happens.
Already better? Still a little sticky?
Still tight. It's better. Great for my thumb. Hold that over there somehow. Right there. Quiet. Oh, yeah, this is the
These bars were cheap and it's function over paint.
ain't worried about the paint. Worried about the tight ass bar not affecting the grip.
That's the automatic cruise control.
See that low spot on the bar?
Yeah, I do. That black strip.
Yep.
Low spot.
Good for my upper body strength.
You got a race in a couple months.
Yeah. Just the bike we're using?
No, we can't race this one, but I can help you build one.
No.
I don't know how helpful I'll be. Better?
You feel it.
Let's see here. Let's use this hand. Oh, yeah.
Still pretty rough.
Yeah.
Surprisingly, even out here it's tight down.
Yeah.
We got this right this degree. Right here there's no drag, but I think we gotta go up a little higher. I'm not sure. Now, one thing about really rough here, it'll hog up the damn grip too.
Yeah.
Because now it got looser.
Yeah.
Took the high spot off of this. See how much looser it got?
Oh, yeah. What's that?
And this is like a rasp now. There's the Lambo.
Sounds okay.
Is my neighbor getting to be too expensive with a bunch of Ferraris and Lambos running around?
I guess so.
Neighborhood's outgrowing me.
They definitely probably don't like my motorcycle on the curb.
Or everything in front of my shop.
No. Who's been here longer?
I just cleaned my vehicle a couple days ago.
Looks good. Yeah, they were.
Okay, that's now a little bit freer than it used to be. See much better that is?
Just get rid of these things.
Okay, so we got that part handled. Now, next thing is this edge here is pretty sharp. So you just got to start knocking off the stuff that's a problem. One at a time. Get rid of all burrs. That's pretty sharp on that edge because we're going to deburr in here. What a shocker. You wouldn't want to file, I guess.
You know, I was actually looking some today at the swap meet, and the guy was asking too much. I was being a cheap ass. Instead, I bought a stupid ass school desk from the 1920s, but hopefully I'll make a couple bucks
Yeah,
on
you
it.
needed that.
Now, let's see.
You know what you're always, you're always like good energy. Yeah. Good
Okay, that
energy.
takes care of that problem. That way it won't turn into a drip. Okay. Now you wipe off all that grip. Okay. Now we get rid of this. Put that back in the Tatro tool department. Unless the wind starts blowing, it'll blow way outside.
It'll blow it down to the neighbor that has the Lambo.
I think the Lambo guy's up the street someplace around here. Like, they're not making laps around the neighborhood down here by the coffee shop. They get the Ferrari and the Lambo going together, they start making all kinds of noise. They like to listen to each other rev up their car. See which one makes more noise than the other. Okay.
Let me go get the ferrules.
This here we're going to have we have to compress this switch here a little bit when it goes back in somehow.
Is that what is? Will this do my running lights, or that's only my brake?
That's your front brake switch, right?
Because my running lights are being weird, but
We don't care about the running lights.
Yeah, I really don't care about them.
It's got some kind of a modern electrical crap here that's pre-done, but
Yeah.
see how these have been crushed a little bit?
Yeah.
That's probably not the best for the wire in there.
Right. Yeah.
Somehow that got up on top and got mushed.
Need to give it some more slack over here. Can give it some more room.
Okay, the other thing is I was taking out the cruise control.
Oh yeah.
Got to get that plier in my pocket. Yeah, where'd I get a plier? Not in this pocket. Thought I grabbed it already. Too many tools in my pockets. Got the pockets full of crap. There they are. So that has a little snap ring on there that holds it in.
Yeah.
So if you just rip the shit out of it, it comes out anyway. You usually just kind of maneuver it out, it comes out.
It's being stubborn. It's
Yeah.
also kind of rusty, to be fair.
Yeah, it doesn't want to come out. It's alright, we'll just screw it up a little higher like we're supposed to. That. A little handy dandy screwdriver. Rip it free.
There it goes.
It went down your motor someplace.
It's okay. Good thing I got my air cleaner on there.
There's your clip. There, it has a drain hole for the water now.
Nice.
We've upgraded it.
Now it's 2 seasons.
Water drain. Okay, we'll go get some more stuff. We'll be back.